when a customer comes up to us and looks at us as a potential partner, I think what we've got to clearly do is demonstrate what our capabilities are, and we do that, and clearly we're doing that at the moment with the beta trials that we've already announced with KM1. But as we move forward, we can't just expect customers just to sit back and carry on printing what they've always printed before. The market continues to evolve. So our differentiator really comes in the fact that we look for those new emerging markets and we'll provide that insight. And then what we do is we tailor that to obviously our products and our services that we bring to market. We had to install the presses into beta sites to check that what we were developing in the R&D and in the factory, we could move into full industrial use and prove that the machine was a very stable platform, that the colour consistency, that the sheet size, the applications, all the things you have to do before you launch a press of this nature were going to come true when you put it into a beta environment. I'm pleased to say right now that what we're getting back from the beta sites is proving that that's the case. We now move to the next beta site here in Europe. We've been working with that customer now for many months, and we are working to understand their business model, understand what they expect from us. What's coming through is that they want a very stable, colour consistent platform where they can move work, which they haven't been able to do now because customers that they've got want to match that offset quality to an inkjet UV device. They don't want to have to pre-coat media or have the penalties of a digital stock. They want to print on their standard LIFO stock. And what we're looking at now is, where do we go in the future? We know that digital packaging is about to take off, and we know that that's a big growth area for a lot of commercial printers and also for brands, because they want to do a lot more. They want to run short-run campaigns, they want to do product placement and product promotions to test that the designs and the key messaging that they're looking for can then create demand for the product, and that's what we're doing very, very successfully. So here you see a KM1 sample that's been foiled and jet varnished using the technology that we have with our partner company MGI. The MGI uses a very similar head to what we've got within the KM1, slightly different because of the different ink sets that we use compared to the curable inks that go into the MGI. But the main thing is that it's a very stable platform, and that's going to expand the business opportunities for people looking to move into this area. So what can you expect from us at Drupa? We're an innovation-led company. We always have been, we always will be. We're not just focused on the print technology, but we're also focused on the solutions and the business development areas around that. So at the moment we're looking at augmented reality. We've partnered with Wikitube. We're bringing that to market in a whole host of different ways as an augmented reality platform. For instance, within packaging, brands tell us that they want a greater experience for their customers where you can bring augmented reality into a package. So we're looking at that. We're also looking at security features as well. How can you protect a package from supply chain to stop counterfeit? So we're looking at that as well. So there's a whole host of areas that we're working on to support our customers. But also it's not just about solutions, it's just not about the product, it's about insight and good business development. So we're working very hard with a number of key leading industry consultants to produce that insight information so that people can come up to us, they know what the business opportunity is, they can identify it, they can assess it, then they can justify it, but most importantly they can then implement it into their business and see a return. We started that program many years ago, that's Digital 1, 2, 3, 4. It now evolves to support the KM1 and our future business offerings, and that's our commitment to the print industry.